was very bad decision banning the largest political party which has a history of almost 1 century and around 100 million member of the Chinese Communist Party. It is inhuman. It is interference to the domestic politics of the China, because China is one of the largest and biggest country by population, with highest number of the political workers from the Chinese Communist Party. Banning the Chinese Communist Party traveling to the United States will harm United States much more.